Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to unbox the Logitech G Pro X wireless gaming headset. A lot of people are saying this headset is probably the world best in 2021, but let's unbox it. So here we are. So you can probably see I got this new headset. So this one is a pretty special headset. It's the Logitech G Pro X headset, and it's wireless. It's even a wireless version. This headset is having tons of good feedback. People are saying it's a crazy headset for gaming, and the sound should be so good. It has a blue voice technology. It has memory foam. It has durability. It's a durability built with premium steel and aluminum. It has some Pro G 55mm precision driver stuff. It's a pro-tuned equalizer profiles. It's a 6mm microphone with 100 Hz to 10 kilohertz, and the audio response is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. That's pretty impressive. It has the Dolby DTS headphone X 2.0, and it has a USB sound card. So this headset has some impressive specs, and I'm not like an audio guy, so maybe some of that I just mentioned was like maybe a bit weird. But the microphone I'm using right now to talk into that's the blue, it's the Blue Yeti, and this one is using a blue microphone technology also. So it's Logitech going together with, you can say, blue for creating this beast. But what are we waiting on? Let's unbox this beast and test the microphone together, try the headset on together, and do some audio test also. I know you can't hear the audio, so you just have to live with what I'm saying. And I'm gonna compare it against the SteelSeries 7 wireless, which is probably one of the most sold headsets in 2022 and 2021. So you can say one of the most sold SteelSeries. We're gonna put it up against this one and see who's gonna win. But it's not about this headset in this video. In this video, it's all about this one, but we just use the SteelSeries as a versus, you can say. So let's get to it. Here it is. So this is the box that we are going to unbox. The Logitech G Pro Wireless. As you can see here, proof, it's the Pro X wireless with light speed gaming headset. So pretty impressive. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be real fun to unbox this little beast. And let's see where we have to start. It looks like we have to first cut these up here. So let's start here. There we go. There we go. This box is so big. I mean, it is really big. It is really big. It's really hard for me to keep it inside my recording area. Wow, so many layers you have to. I'm sorry, it's just super big. And if you want to see the behind the package, it's like saying keep playing. Let's put it away. Here we have it. So I assume that's the headset. Thanks for watching, everyone. Joking. So let's see what we have here. So here we have the USB, which is the Lightspeed technology they have created. So this USB here is having a Lightspeed connection, 2.4 Hz, I think it is, with the headset. So I have to find somewhere to plug this in. Pretty cool. We can put it there. Then we have, what is that? Oh, that's actually the foam. That's what you have to put on the headset. Damn, they are really, really like smooth. Really, it even says right, left. Okay, put it to the side. That's the first time I see it this way. Okay. Wait, before we go with the headset, let's see if we have more in the box. We have some manuals, if you want to read those. Let's put it here. Then we have a bag for it. So if you like want to travel with your headset, you can like put it down here. And inside it, we have some cables. We're gonna go through that and see what that is later. But let's put that here. Oh, and the microphone. We're gonna look through that also. Good. I think that's everything in the box. So, if we like look at the microphone, it's a cool microphone. It has like a jack stick you have to insert into the microphone, sorry, into the headset. A very, very solid line. I mean, this one here is like really, really, really good quality. Super good quality. You can really fit it as you want. And it even shows you here where you have to like put the microphone. You can see like here, it's like a line. So it means this is the way you talk into it. So let's put it here. What do we have here? Some kind of USB cable. If we just like open it up. So it looks like we have, oh, it's even a USB-C. I didn't expect that. And then we have like a USB, I think it's a 2.0. Normally USB 3 is like green. I'm not even sure. I have to read that up. Actually, the specifications here is on my other page. Well, of course, the specification doesn't say anything about that. So let's just think it's a 2.0. So let's put it over here. That's just a cable. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the headset. Let's put that there with the knife. So it actually wants me to like pull it out this way, but then I think I'm gonna destroy the headset. So I actually think like we have to oh, you can do it like this. Ho ho ho. Okay. So this is the headset. It even says Pro. Oh, it was on the right side. Pro. And this is the side. Very metallic. Feels really, really good. Bit weird for the finger. I can see this is like, this is where we can insert the USB-C. There's a microphone button. There's a volume up and down. Oh, okay. It has an infinity. You can like volume it forever. That's cool. We have like an on-off button. LED indicator. So like volume up and down. What is that? So that's like mute. Volume up and down. Turn on headset, I believe. Yeah. Turn on headset off and on. And then we have the charging cable. USB-C. And for the microphone. So, which is pretty cool. I like the headset. The only little weird thing is you can see like inside the headset there's this little cable here. That looks a bit odd, but I think that's okay in the end. Then I believe you can actually take these off in some way. I probably have to like study that. But if you don't want this leather or skin or whatever it is, you can then change it to this material instead. So it's more like this clothing material instead of this leather material. So that's pretty cool that you can like do it this way. But in overall, it feels like a super comfortable headset. It feels pretty well. I'm really keen to like try it out and like see how it is. So I mean, this is pretty much everything that's inside the package. What you see right now, all these stuff. So this is what inside the package. Okay, so you can say the second topic. So that was the first unboxing. Now the second thing is, how does it look? We have to test how it actually looks on me. So I'm gonna look for the right. So it's says right. So this is how it looks. You can probably say. I don't feel it's, I don't feel it's like that big, because if we compare it with the Steel Series 7, sorry, the Steel Series 7, yeah, 7, it's like this big. So I almost feel like this one is bigger. Also, it does this weird thing with your hair, because like the band is like pulling back the headset. But this headset here actually sits like in a different way. The only weird thing is like these weird cables, but I mean, they probably need it since they haven't done anything, but they don't annoy it, they don't touch it like or anything like that. So the next thing we have to test is like, how is the microphone inside the headset? Hello, this is a test from the Logitech G Pro X wireless gaming headset. So I'm not sure how the sound sounds, but I can see in the audio mixer it doesn't pick up any sounds when I'm not talking, which seems like a really cool deal. But now we're going to test, the SteelSeries 7 headset just to compare it with this one. Hello, now I'm using the SteelSeries 7 headset, and the test I can see it actually sounds like it actually catches up like small sounds from random stuff. So this is the random test with the SteelSeries against the Logitech G Pro X wireless. So now I switch back to my normal microphone in front of me, so we can like just talk about that. Now we're gonna do a testing of the sounds, and I know you can't hear it, but I'm still gonna like try to give my reaction on which one sounds best. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enable the game sound so I can hear, what you can hear, and we're gonna test some kind of music. So we're gonna do the first test on the Logitech, and we're gonna listen to the Fat Rat, which is he's a song maker on YouTube, which is making copyright-free music. And we're gonna listen to the song called Monody, and it is the second most viewed song he has made with 176 million viewers. And I have skipped into the mid of the song, so we get like a bit bass. But let's see how it sounds. And I know you can't see it in the same way, but you gotta listen to me and see what I think about it. But let's try listen to it. Okay, let's switch to the Steel Series and like feel the comparison. Time to test the Steel Series. Okay, so it's a pretty tough one, because by default, the problem is the Steel Series one. I have really changed the settings so it feels really good for me. So in this case, I'm always most gonna probably say something about that. I think the Steel series is gonna win in this little test. It's just a little test. It doesn't have anything to do with the headset. But I think it's because I have to go into the settings and also change this headset so it's more comfortable for me in like the listening experience. But that's something else we can try to do. So basically, that was the unboxing of the headset, a bit microphone test, a bit audio test, and stuff like that. Okay, so just for like completing the video like in a totally cool way, is that now I'm going to show you the software that you can use for the headsets, like make the sound even better. So here we can see like my webcam. This software is, by the way, called Logitech G Hub. It's the new one. They don't use the one called gaming software anymore. Now they're using this G Hub. You can have like a profile. You can use different profiles for each of your games and so on, etc., etc. Profiles, macros, integrations, settings, and so on. But let's go into the Pro X wireless headset. So inside here you have like different settings. You can like enable advanced equalizers, so you can like put additional bass boost, cinematic boost, communication boost, so you can like hear the voice more clear. You can like just like a flat if you want, or you can do it for first person shooter, MOBAs, or you can even go to browse more and it will like find the ones that people have made and saved, and you can like say even most recent, or you can sort by like most popular or something like that. But I'm not going to use that. Then we have the surround sound, and trust me, I said the test before that the Steel series sounded best, but enabling this surround sound, then I have to admit this headset is winning. 100%. This headset is 100% going to win with the surround sound on. It's much better. It's like super good. And there's also having like a test program here, and that test program is like insanely good. Like music, monsters, all sort of things. The headset just got like 10 times better with this on. So super awesome. Also, it's very important to say that the microphone test we did was with the standard settings, but you can actually enable this blue voice technology, and then you can sound like who you want. For example, in this case, I chose the profile that I think was the best one, called TSM, the esports team TSM, and I chose the player called Myth, and that profile is really good. There's also other profiles here if you want to sound like a radio host or like a broadcaster or like high voice, like loud. For example, we can listen here, TSM Myth. Hello, I am using the profile TSM Myth. Pop. Hello, I am using the profile TSM Myth. Pop. And then we can go like all the way down and take, let's say, high voice, loud. Hello, I'm using the profile high voice, loud. Hello, I'm using the profile high voice, loud. So you could also do that, or you could do the high voice soft. Hello, now I'm using the high voice soft. Hello, now I'm using the high voice soft. So with all these different profiles, you can sound very different. I really like the TSM, like Myth profile. That one was pretty great. But you can like skip through them and do difference. So I'm gonna stay with the TSM. Why is it creating a different one? Like stop doing that. So I'm using the TSM Myth. For me, it sounded really good, and I kind of like that. It's also using this voice equalizer to like change the voice of the headset. And again, you can also go back to the headphones, use advanced equalizer here if you want to like have more bass or triple or something like that. We have the surround sound and so on. But great software, really easy to use, and you can have like different profiles you can save upon your accounts. So thanks for watching, everyone. It was a pleasure making this video. Have a nice evening, everyone, and leave down a comment and let me know what you think about this headset. Or have you thought about getting this headset, or what you're gonna do? So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a nice evening, and see you in another episode.